invite you to join me in a word of prayer. Eternal God, we invoke your presence upon us for this remarkable assembly. In celebrating the accomplishments of our student scholars, delight us with the promise of this generation and the possibilities freed by a liberal arts education. Bless our students, Holy God, that they may be resilient in the face of life's strong storms, and buoy them with confidence in their power to reason, solve problems, create, and contemplate. Finally, O God, thy blessing we implore on Monmouth College evermore. May all our effort ever be ultimately to honor thee. Amen.
It is my honor to welcome you to the 2021 Honors Convocation at Monmouth College. This is the second, and we clearly hope the last, Honors Convocation to be held virtually. We focus each day on the intellectual and personal growth of our students, and we celebrate their achievements throughout the year. But this convocation allows us to set aside time to raise up particular accomplishments for special recognition. Even as we honor these students, we also honor those who have helped them make these achievements possible. Family members, teachers, counselors, coaches, friends supported you each step of the way before and during your time at the college. We honor them as well today, as I know that you students do. I am especially grateful to the faculty, staff, and coaches of Monmouth College who provide guidance, support, and advice, who offer a shoulder to cry on or a gentle push when needed. We are all here to serve you. It is our privilege, our blessing to do so. COVID has disrupted almost every aspect of the college's work and of our individual lives. You have been tested like few generations of Monmouth students before. This makes your achievements and our celebration of them all the sweeter. We are proud of all that you have done, all that you have contributed to the life of Monmouth College. We can't wait to see all that you will do, all that you will contribute as your adventures continue to unfold. Congratulations.
During a typical school year, my faculty colleagues and I would have the honor of congratulating our students on another remarkable year, one of distinguished research, publishing, performing, creating, and innovating. We would acknowledge our students' amazing work with awards, prizes, scholarships, inductions into honor societies, and other accolades and recognitions, all of which annually transform our campus and culminate in a day of celebrating their academic achievements in person. Yet the 2020-2021 academic year has been another 9 months of meetings and classes over Zoom or in socially distanced classrooms and laboratory spaces. Weather permitting, we also gathered outside in tents and even under trees. Amidst these circumstances, our students still produced exceptional work, and so we still celebrate. I speak for all of my faculty colleagues when I say how proud we are of our students, for not just pushing through this school year, but for finding ways to thrive and to succeed, despite what have often seemed like enormous odds. In many ways, our students have taught the rest of campus this school year. They have embodied what it means to be a noble Scot. On behalf of the Monmouth faculty, congratulations. Know that your faculty are immensely proud of what you have accomplished, and we are especially proud of how you creatively sought and found ways to maintain a vibrant, living, learning campus life throughout this academic year.
It is tradition for Blue Key to announce the freshman and senior Man of the Year at the Honors Convocation. The organization has asked faculty and staff to nominate those men whom they consider worthy based on their academic performance, leadership, extracurricular involvement in athletics and student organization, and service, both on and off our campus. This year's Freshman Man of the Year is a double major in classics and economics. He is also involved with Stockdale Fellows, is an intern at the Warren County History Museum, and is the communications director at ZBT. Blue Key gladly awards Samuel Stoyanov as the Freshman Man of the Year. The nominations for Senior Man of the Year were plentiful and the decision was difficult. This year's winner is a chemistry major. Throughout his years at Monmouth, he has been a member of ZBT, a residence assistant, and a cafeteria worker. This individual also assists with preservation practices at nature reserves and dedicates his time to research for his department. Faculty and peers have expressed his loyalty, dedication, and hard work both inside and outside of the classroom. It is with pleasure that Blue Key awards Senior Man of the Year to Tyler Halsey.
Every year, Mortarboard has the honor to announce the Freshman and Senior Woman of the Year. We are an honor society on campus that celebrate seniors for their scholarship, leadership, and service on campus. This year, the Freshman Woman of the Year is Larissa Pothoven, and the Senior Woman of the Year is Emily Kruger. Congratulations. Thank you very much.
As an academic dean, I love today, because today is what it's the core of our mission, a celebration. In usual times, it's a time to come together and celebrate your academic achievements. In usual times, it's when departmental recognition is heaped upon you in all the ways that are right and proper. But these are unusual times. So instead, today our celebration is just as unusual. You're not here. We're not speaking directly to you. None of us can share that moment of celebration together. Yet we're still celebrating. And what we are celebrating in this honors convocation is a testament to your strengths. The conviction you have to keep learning even when it is really, really difficult. We're celebrating your perseverance, your ability to adjust, your learning to achieve in a situation that you didn't ask to be in or couldn't even imagine, really, a year ago. We're celebrating the intelligence you bring to every task you face, no matter how diverse, no matter how different than the ones you thought you were going to be facing. The flexibility to adjust on the fly, to do what your professors asked, even if, yet again, it's unusual. And finally, we're celebrating all that you have achieved, despite everything that has been thrown at you. That is the reason we come together and honor you today. So, congratulations to you all for all the struggles you've overcome and all the honors you've earned.
To school we love so well.
With the words of our alma mater still ringing in our ears, let us rejoice in our students' success and in their promise celebrated today. And may God bless you and keep you. May God be kind and gracious to you. May God look upon you with favor and bring you all peace. Amen.